How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, I'm gonna show you what type of lights I use, especially when I work on places where I need some light. If I had to work at night, it's been really difficult for me to do it. Right now, this is the light that I'm using. This one I get it in a shop. When I went to do an emission test on my car, I saw this one and I get it. Most of the times, this is the one that I have and I use because it's really good. Light on front. If you just press a little bit, it's gonna have light on top. Emergency light. You can hang it somewhere if you need to. It has a micro USB to recharge it and light indicator when you're charging the light. Also has a magnet and you can move it around. It's really good, but right now because it's winter, I've been having a lot of issues working on cars. Last time, it was last week, I worked on a friend's car. I replaced the front brake pads and rotors. I had to grab my light and move it around and working with my other hand. It's not convenient, it's not practical, so I decided to get another light. I used to have this light. I was working with it, but if you can see, it's really bad. I would not recommend you to get something like this because it's not practical. It's not bright enough, and this is just pure trash. Also, I have this light right here. This is a Craftsman light. This one is not really bright. I barely use it. You can recharge this light, but it's not really practical. It's not bright enough. You can hang it. It has light on top too, but just it's not convenient. It's not good, and I think it's not working no more because I never use it. Cheap stuff. I will not recommend that. So for Christmas, I went and I picked up a new light. It's gonna be really helpful, especially right now in winter. It gets dark really earlier, and I need something to work on the cars. This is my new light. It's from Honeywell. Link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get this one, because this one is really good, really convenient, super bright, and I'm gonna show you how well it's gonna work when you have to work on cars. You're gonna have the light, the USB cable, and look at this baby. Plenty of light, plenty of LEDs. I'm gonna show you the functions. It has a couple hooks to hang it, magnets. You can move this part around if you need it. If you need to put it under the hood, you can move it around the way you want it. You can extend this light. It's just the design is just a lot better. And like I told you, last week I was doing the brakes. I had to have my light on, working with one hand, looking for the bolts on the back because I replaced the rotors too. And just having this light is not convenient because you can work with one hand and hold your light with the other one. What this light is gonna do is just gonna be a game changer. You see how bright it is? You can put it everywhere. You can extend it. It has two light modes. One that is a little bit lower if it's too bright, emergency light, and because it has magnets, you can put it everywhere. If you work under your hood, like I said, you can flip this part around either way. This side too. Turn it on, and you're gonna have plenty of lighting. Also, because it has the hooks right here, you can put it everywhere you want, everywhere you need to. And if you can see, we have plenty of lighting if you need to work under your hood. If I need to work under the car, it's gonna be really good. If I need to work on brakes, I can put it like this, put it inside my light around so I can see on the back of the brakes. It's gonna be really convenient. And like I show you, hooks, magnets, you can move this part either way. And the good thing about this one is that you can move it around too. If you need to move it one way or the other, you can do that too. Right now I can have it like this, closed, so I don't break the glass if I wanted to put it away. But if I need to work on something, I can just flip the light around and have it like this so I can work on some. So this is gonna be game changer for me because winter is here. Sometimes it gets really dark really quick. I need to work on something. This light is gonna help me out a lot. 1200 lumens of light output, 5000K LED lights, high, low, and strobe lights for an emergency, with the USB charging cable included, and 5-year warranty with this light. So guys, like I said, link is gonna be in the description. This LED probe is gonna be on all my videos from now on because I need something like this. I need better lighting. So that's all I have for this episode, guys. I just tried to bring you something. Probably you need some light, and this one is really good, really bright. I hope you like this episode, guys. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and see you in the next one. Peace.